Thank you, boys. Thank you, boys and girls.
Feliz cumpleaños, mi hermano Frankie.
Oh. Ah, all right.
All right. Yeah,
You said
MSTR does
fast?
look crazy, but like,
The spreads are
Yeah.
pretty horrible on that stock.
even when they split like this, yeah, before they split, they were like a Shopify.
You said MSTR?
Yeah, they used to be like $1,800, and then they split. Buy Frankie Starbucks really for his birthday. Okay.
Yeah.
How you feel about the Starbucks really, Frankie?
I think it's cool.
It's cool. Just regular watch. Understood.
I think it's aight.
All right.
So you actually like Google with earnings still?
Do I like? I don't know. I think I'm gonna skip on it.
I think I'm skipping. Like you said, bro, I think I'm skipping everything with earnings.
Yeah, I am too. I think
Yeah, because I saw you post that and I was like,
I did it
Dang.
just cause
mhm.
I think it's good for the newer members who are trying to get like an idea of how to read things, and I think they have more time to read on times and sales when things have earnings.
Hoffman says MSTR has earnings as well.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna play it anyway. It's just someone brought it up, so gave them some recognition. They approve you yet? It usually takes like 10 minutes max. Good morning, United.
Top of the blue.
You have to redirect any planes this morning or not?
You sound directly on planes?
Did you have to redirect any United planes this morning?
Man, we're officially about to quit.
Huh?
We're officially about to quit that, so
Okay.
he's gonna have to figure out something new, just like I'm gonna have to figure out something new.
He said just like what?
Yo, you need my laptop? Yo, Zach, you pass it in? You got a torn ACL.
Thank you, bro. Don't call me blue chips.
Aw, thanks, Jose.
What would you take Nvidia? Would you take it at 144, or you would wait for that all-time high?
I'm personally waiting for the all-time high.
Yeah. I could take half, maybe. We'll see.
I like 144 because we haven't had any strong closes, but I don't know.
I was
That's
thinking half there.
With a dollar drop right there. Look, main points here this morning is Tesla and Nvidia. Other than that, these are like sides things that you guys could be looking at.
How it feels to be back, man.
Me?
Yeah.
It feels freaking amazing. I got like 50 charts in front of me again. I can launch a SpaceX ship from here. Yo, the last day the power outlet went out.
At the boot camp?
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, like during the day. Luckily, it wasn't like the morning. It was like when when I started teaching.
Was it just all of them or just
Yeah.
the one? Wow.
The whole wall.
Yo,
on that
something
side.
popped and like someone said something, but I didn't hear it. And then it ended up like I looked and nobody's computer was charging.
Damn.
They ever call you back or not?
Nah. Oh, the TV went black, no?
Yo, it's my boy, Frankie born day.
Yeah.
Oh, Frankie, happy born day, my boy.
Thank you, my boy.
You gotta give him the birthday punches,
How
he.
old you turn 12?
Something like that.
Look at Meta actually making some moves this morning, huh?
275s for you guys or 280s?
75. Either one don't. It's Monday.
I think the 80s would be fine, yeah.
Yeah. Meta looks fire, bro, but it has earnings. It looks fire too.
Yeah, that's
And it's
probably
up quite
what
a
is it,
bit.
Wednesday, George?
Huh?
The
I
report.
believe it's Wednesday.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
usually
the
a
30th.
Wednesday.
No, yeah, the 30th. Yeah.
Tesla just has a 15-minute trend, but we break those.
Benji really is different after New York.
If you know, you know.
No, you know.
Yeah. Pablo, unfortunately, coin has earnings too. Oh.
Yeah, I saw that this morning.
One thing that's kind of holding up here is Nvidia. QQQ doing.
Tesla's about $1 away, $1.50.
Oh shit, I haven't swapped my contracts.
3 seconds. Bing, 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 bing. All right. So you have
Yeah, I'm gonna get the 280s ready.
I did. That's what I got ready.
Yeah, same.
Tesla.
Got time. We got time.
Oh my.
We got
Yeah,
time.
we're looking at the 280 calls for Tesla.
Well, we pushing to do 271
What's up, Satyam?
within this first minute and flip green. I'll take a position right there.
Pull.
Yeah. It's only in this first minute though. If we come back up, I'm just gonna wait for my alert, which was at 271.50. So
All right, they're not doing that shit.
Fucking
yeah,
still going.
we're good off of that. Brev, mine's at the 50 cent level. I'm not sure where Nor has his 271.50.
Yeah, me too. At least for an alert. I don't know if I'll take it as entry, but that's definitely my first alert.
QQ is definitely weaker than Spy here.
Feels so good to be seeing everything at the same time now.
Spy's bouncing. No bounce here on QQ yet. So with the market though.
Tesla first one to come up here. Nor, would you consider 271 with how strong this come up was?
Yeah, but Spy's also pushing, so I want to get
Yeah.
as much time as I can here. Like, look at this bullshit. 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 Ziad, you did it? Really? I think it's because your name brings up red flags. don't know who.
I'd be careful with alerts. They take a while to like set for me.
I don't know who
Right now
names
on
are saying
TOS.
Ziad bin Laden, but we'll have to deal with it.
It's like a lag when I hit confirm at the level.
Yeah, it's still being weird.
Yeah, I noticed that too, Sam. Contracts are moving pretty well. Relatively in the same place for a $400 contract. That's not bad at all.
The 280s.
Yeah, they haven't moved much. I think I was gonna like when they were pushing out, they were like 380, and I believe they're at like 330. So it's not terrible with that type of drop. Still above $3 a contract. All right, market's bear flagging. Tesla's not the one yet, guys. So for now, Tesla's not really that important. Nvidia, though, on the other hand, is doing pretty well. I don't see any issues there. If that comes up, I might be able to take that earlier, actually, at like 143.20. We'll see. That's not a confirmation yet, but it's a possibility. Okay, see, Tesla's just doing its own thing. It also has that 1 minute trend it just bounced off of.
You see that 1 minute trend on Nvidia?
At 143.30.
Yeah, it's. I mean, I know it's pre-market like that, but
Yeah, that's why I would decide to probably take it early if we find some strength. Tesla coming back, so it's doing its own thing. Nvidia's also pushing. I could make the switch to Nvidia though. I'll let you guys know. Jeff, what'd you tell us about what's up $5? Yeah, the spreads are too wide for us though, bro.
Tesla's starting to come back here.
Yep.
Love to see a hold up close above 270. Have yet to see one. NQ looking like it wants to age. What's your next kilo? No, never mind.
There it goes.
Tesla.
I might take an early entry on this, but
Time we got here on this
I'm
candle.
only gonna
here.
take like a half.
See this close above 270.
Yeah, you got 15 seconds left on this, George. Finally got it for the first time today.
And it's
And a
ahead of the
bounce.
market. This could
Yep.
warrant an
Bounce off
early
of it.
entry. This could warrant an early entry.
That's what I'm thinking right now too.
Obviously, we're still looking at the 280 calls for the signal.
Looks something quick. Okay. Let me know we get close again. I'm looking at something else.
All right, aggressive candle on the market. Tesla gets smoked.
Geo.
Eesh, bro. Oh man,
Oh,
patience.
to the low of day.
That was crazy, bro.
High of day to
No.
low of day.
Classic Tesla.
It went from 380 to 3. That's wild.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's not even that bad if I'm being honest. For a
No.
Monday, for those contracts and
It's-
out the money.
yeah.
Now it's at low day with the overall market. Yo, Nvidia is setting up, baby boy. If this can hold up here, this might be it.
Above 142.50 is where it can start picking up. That's where it's been holding below.
Above what?
142.50.
Oh, yeah.
This because that's like the range it's been under. Like it's the top of the range.
Alright.
Near, at least.
Why we keep bouncing here? I don't have shit.
Jordan, yeah. The old you. Where my boot camp people at, bro?
Hey, Jordan, the only active one.
No, I see a few. Nassif's here. See?
Hamza's there.
Dr. Hamza.
Dr. Hamza. Tim Cook.
Damn good. And where's Chihuihui's at?
What is that? That's essay, right?
No, that's not it. That's the. There he go, right there, Martin.
Okay.
You know who Chihuihui's is?
No.
The UFC fighter.
Oh. Where's Essay Way in the chat?
Hey, what was his name? Juan was his name, Juan?
Alright, well, there's probably a million Juans in here, so.
You're right.
We got 2 on the mic already.
That is true.
That was a good one, Frank. It's a way. Yeah, you're the Ling Ling Chihuihui combo.
Dimitri,
yeah.
that is the scariest person to be in the ring with. So if you ever see a fight like that, don't ever think the other person has a chance.
Against a legend, too.
Yeah, fuck that.
Yeah.
No
feel
respect
like
to
it-
legends.
I feel like any Middle Eastern fighter, you just don't want to fight.
Nah, but Hamza is different. One, he hasn't fought in a long time, and two, he has like 5-year-old energy as soon as round 1 starts.
No cap, bro.
All right, well, Nvidia just slipped.
Yeah. Got room to. Got a little bit of room here on ES. It's cool.
Yeah, trying to submit someone and break in their jaw instead within like a second is kind of crazy.
That was crazy.
He needs to get like screws and metal plates, is what I saw too. No.
Yo, anything you guys see?
Mm-mm.
We're only
No,
11 minutes
sir.
in, so.
This is the first time like I feel like nothing's close. Like I don't even feel like the urge or nothing. Well, I don't have those urges to pull the trigger on anything, but like there's nothing even close. Not even the herb stocks.
TSM could be something later. That has a gap to the downside that starts at 195.62 and it ends at 189.50.
It didn't take long for a herb stock to get mentioned, though, George.
Hey man, you wanted me to mention something. That's all I got.
You got too much money for TSM, buddy.
Nah, TSM is actually pretty valid.
Okay.
I haven't looked at it today, but it actually has liquidity and spreads are good on it. It's not like Baba or Carvana or none of those.
I mean, I
Usually.
was looking at that pre-market. Do they have earnings this week or no?
Nah, they reported last week.
All right. Yeah, that's a
That does
possible
look
trade.
fire, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Damn, bro, everything's slipping here.
But for the meantime,
195.
I will say though, for the meantime though, this is pretty garbage. The volume is pretty bad on the put side.
All right, let me take a look at my phone.
No,
I was originally looking at 196, George, but honestly, looking at the volume on these contracts, I think I'm good. You think I'm good, brother?
Only 13 minutes in, so no rush. No rush. Let's see if most of the time just on YouTube. Ahmed, it has earnings. Let me see. I'll look at it again, but I looked at it real quick. If it's not as spectacular, no. See, I'm good.
Manny, I'm good. The spread on those the spread on those contracts on that stock are dog doo doo.
Dumpster juice. The spread on the stock?
The option contracts on the
Man,
stock.
they're 10 cents on the 250s. Nah, but I'm good anyways.
Is he
Tesla coming back. That's the
They
only thing I'm
confirmed you?
watching. If it sets up, I don't mind being cash if it doesn't come back. Gino, that's the wrong Frankie.
What did you mention, anyways? Netflix 744. When it comes to playing Netflix, I refuse to touch it to the downside because the contracts just never seem to pick up in volume. So I am personally good off of anything Netflix to the downside. To the upside, though, I mean, it's debatable what setups, but
Tesla holding up here, Nor.
Yep.
what's it at?
Trying to come back
268.60.
as NQ and ES are both dropping here, making lows of days. Sneezy, I'm good on Penguin. On Apple there. Remember how we sometimes be mentioning like there's weeks where you have to adapt and have better risk management, size down even, maybe not the targets. This might be one of those weeks with a whole bunch of things having earnings, being more picky and more precise on our entries as much as possible. Yeah, you gotta test your patience big time here. And it's showing it. We've been mentioning it all morning. Cause look, Meta looked good to the upside. We didn't take it. Ended up more than likely I would have wanted a little bit more on that. And Nvidia's pumping here, Nor. Still far. And it's still early. We're still only 17 minutes in. Yeah, exactly, Greg. Yeah. Damn, Tesla would have.
AMD is definitely a possibility. This gets closer, I'm gonna switch over. Holding
That
up.
has earnings as well.
You said it was last week.
Nah.
No.
Who the hell told me AMD earnings was last week?
I told you something else. TSM had earnings last week.
Oh. Never mind. Damn, the one week. Look at this. Damn, that looks good. All right. No AMD for us.
That's what we're doing this morning, Alex. DJT.
Yeah, Alex, you're crazy.
TSM's been picking up in volume slowly. I'm just not
Let-
sure if I still want to trade this though.
Let us know if we should switch.
It's what I currently have ready. It's just I don't know yet.
My thoughts on AMD if it didn't have earnings. It's holding up against the market. Things like Nvidia are at low of day. AMD is just chilling at high of day, and it has like a flat top from pre-market. So it's just a good looking setup for the type of market we have this morning. That's the only thing. That's why I was interested.
You said TSM, Frank?
Yeah, it's what I have loaded up, but I don't know if I'm taking it yet. The contracts are looking better now, for sure.
What was I looking at? Oh, it was. Never mind.
The issue is that 1 minute trend too, that we haven't really tested yet.
195s got volume.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. They actually have liquidity behind them now.
There goes Tesla.
What's your alert at?
20 cents.
Oh. Oh, damn, that's gonna be nice.
I would be going in light though, so not like a normal position for me, like on Tesla or anything like that. Just because I'm not used to this stock.
Get a little bounce here to 60 cents. Wanna see sellers step in hard here.
We're looking at TSM too.
Yeah, that's where I got pulled up.
Okay.
On the 195s, the spread is nice, only 5 cents.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going in. If I try this, it's gonna be light.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't have time to set my alert. Things picking up.
I just want to be as precise as I can with this entry to the downside.
A little bounce to 60, bro.
Market's dropping. I'm not sure how close this follows the market. I know it's under the New York Stock Exchange, but it's a chip stock too. So
Alright, beautiful. That's to 50. Now let me see. Flip this red. Alright, I got time to set my alert now. There's a trend on the opposite end, Frank. Did you see that on the hourly?
I did not know.
But it's a resistance turn support, so it's one of those.
Okay. This candle here looks. If this candle goes green to red, George, and into the new low, I'll probably make that my entry.
That's what I'm doing. It did exactly what I wanted. The 60-cent rejection, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm not taking it until my alert gets triggered here.
No, same here. I don't think we're getting Tesla today, and Nvidia. So
Nvidia is
Another
possible.
rejection. Yeah.
who knows though? We're only 23 minutes in. So
We're just used to finishing in 10.
yeah. All right, George. I took my position
Same.
exactly the way that we talked about it.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get on the fill up? I got 302.
Yeah, no, I got a slight late. I was switching my contracts around. I got
Hmm.
315.
Okay, okay.
It's breaking that. It's breaking that hourly there. How much time? We got 6 minutes on the hourly.
Small wall at 196. We should be able to break that.
What's your
The
target?
gap starts at, the gap starts at the 60 cent area.
195.
60, 62 to be precise. Yeah.
Okay.
So that would probably be my first target.
Okay.
For me, my stop loss, George, would be if these contracts hit 280.
Got you.
So that's TSM. I'm not comfortable holding this up to a 10% trade, so it would be like roughly like 5 to 7 if it were to hit my stop loss.
Gotcha. Looking at a hold above 50, anywhere from 50 to 60, depending. 50 cents on the stock. You break even right here, huh?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm only down 2%.
The spreads have actually been pretty good. It's not too bad.
On both the stock and the contracts, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I've only traded this like maybe 3 or 4 times, and at least all those times I recall the spreads being pretty decent.
I was expecting to be down a little bit more than that at this point. I'm only down 5%.
I'm about to hit my stop here soon if it keeps going with these contracts.
If it closes above 60 cents, I'm gonna stop on. It did not.
See, I was gonna wait for the 50 cent mark. When you said that, I see why you're looking at that.
Market's starting to come down. I'm not sure. I'm with you. I'm not sure if this follows it like that.
Mm-mm.
You doing? ES is coming back down. NQ's not as weak as ES. Not as aggressive at the moment.
We'll say the contracts have been holding up really well.
Yeah, I'm only down.
I know it's a
4.
Monday. Yeah, like I know it's a Monday, and shouldn't expect too much, but with how cheap these are, I feel like they would have had a pullback by now.
Push aggressively again into 60. I'm probably gonna stop. Once the mark, yeah.
Yeah, limited. I was green, I think like 3%, 4% at the very bottom, but
Time we got 12 seconds.
I'm about to stop out soon personally, George.
Yeah, I'm waiting. If the bid gets above 71 cents, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out.
That was like 7% for you, right?
I actually got pretty blessed on that sell.
Yeah.
The spread got wide when it did that, and I got 288. That's not too bad. Better than what I expected. So
Yeah, contracts were holding up. Jim, that's Nvidia right there. Nvidia's still positive, I think. Shit, I think I only got like 9% on that. That's not bad. It's still quite a, it's pretty far still on Jern. Around, depending on how it sets up, but at the moment I don't like it till 143.50. 144 really. Possibly could take an early entry if it's ahead. TSM bounced and closed right above that trend. Tesla's trying to come back here.
Nvidia and Tesla still look good to me. Both are possible. Patience, patience.
Nvidia's testing that downtrend intraday again. Swap over to Tesla here.
Jesus, Tesla.
Yeah, I got that loaded up. So we did have a close on the 1 minute count, about 5 minute, no close on the 5 minute for above 270. Soon as Tesla gets strength, NQ and ES wanna start looking weak again. Look at this candle here on Tesla.
I'm down to signal this at like 270.50. I'll let you guys know when we get closer.
Yeah.
Still looking at the 280 calls to signal. Nothing's changed there.
Is that a like half position for you?
Well, look at this. Maybe. I'm thinking about it.
Me personally, I'm gonna stick to 271.
It's fine. I'm going to look to take a half, guys, at 270.50 and then another half at 271. Market's dropping too, pretty hard.
Man, they're just trying to hold that above 270 now.
Yeah, that's interesting.
They just flipped it red to green again.
Market flipped red to green too, though, so keep that in mind.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I'm going to take half at 270.50 and then another half at 271. If you want the safest entry and you want to just wait for precise quick scalp, then you can wait for 271 and take a full scalp there. Full position there. Excuse me.
And soon.
Yeah, Jordan, they are.
E, where are you going to answer at? Where are you going to answer at?
You don't want to hear my answer.
Hmm?
You don't want to hear my answer.
You're in.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't disagree with that answer. You got in earlier though, right?
Yeah.
All right. I think this is gonna skyrocket because they waited all day for this. Basically, not all day, but they waited 40 minutes to get a hold of this.
I was laughing. That's why too.
Mm-hmm. I remember 270.50 is where I'm looking to take a half, guys. So when if I say I'm in, that means half, and then I'm gonna add the other half at 271. So keep that in mind, just in case. Which contract? Same contract since the morning. 280s that I'm looking at. To signal. Nvidia is also coming back, George, Frankie. Still
That's
some
look at.
distance.
I'll say look at NQ though. NQ's that's with NQ having two big green candles.
Yeah.
I think the way I would take, so I obviously the chat knows I'm not taking an early entry, but I think I would if I see some sort of power candle into the 50 cent area. That's how I would go about going about my early entry. If I see it grind up and like kind of just grind up though to that 50 cent mark, I'll just wait till 271 personally.
NQ struggling. Spy trying to hold the green candle.
Paying, I would just do my full at that point.
So they have to take advantage of those drops like there were the wicks at 269. So now it's holding 269. All these wicks keep coming down to 269. So that's a good thing. They're setting up. It's just going to take a little bit longer. If we fall below 268.50, then it's not looking like it'll happen today. Yep, Cobalt. Good charting there.
Nvidia's not looking too bad here. Not yet, but like I'm saying, it's trying.
Yeah. if we get a power candle on Tesla here while the market's kind of just in its area, just doing its thing, I might even take an earlier entry with that half position. So I'll let you guys know. Market's having a red candle. Tesla's holding up, so it's doing its own thing for now. You in with a full position, E?
No, I'm gonna go to contrast. I'm down.
Again, it's 14 more minutes.
It's just sorting up.
Yeah.
We got a lot of shit to do.
I think I'm gonna use 268.70 as my stop. 268.70. I'll be like down 10%. It keeps bouncing here, so I don't want to get out early. Usually, though, I would have been out like 269. It's just
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be here for a while, unfortunately.
But if this does happen, it's
Today looks like there's gonna be a banger trade if you're patient enough. Like if Tesla happens, bro, it's gonna be nasty.
QQQ needs to get above 498.50 and hold there for the market to move higher.
$82 on SPY. That's funny. Wait, what are you talking about, Avenir? 257s? You mean 267? Oh. Yeah, they could be good. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's what you like.
Great bounce again. You see that?
Comes test line.
That's a perfect bounce again. So now we need to get above 270. If we can get a power candle above 270, I'll have an earlier entry for the half position to signal. Perfect bounce.
It's because the early entries there, Avenir. Yeah, I just sent the same thing, Cobalt. I like that. These early entries getting smoked. Patience, Avenir, patience.
There we go. Let's see. All right, 80 just taken out.
I love that the tape immediately speeds up at 270
Yeah. I'm gonna
every single time.
have an early entry at 30, guys, for a half position. All right, I'm in. Usually would be 50, but I like how we're moving here, and I want to be early to the party. Damn. Holy shit.
Volume kicked up too. It's all without the market.
Remember, we have a trend here at 271.28. I'm gonna look to add soon.
Oh
Whoa,
my
never mind. I
God,
couldn't even
bro.
add. Sorry, guys. It's all good.
Yeah.
Good position here to allow this trade to continue. Looking at for 272. We broke above 271. I want to take the high out from pre-market now, which is 271.60.
Alert this one. Went off there, nice. You're up 14% here, so if y'all comfortable, the sales on y'all, remember.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Sell is on you guys. Actually, if you're looking to add, it would be right before the high.
Oh, that's a perfect.
That's a yep. I was gonna say that is a beautiful candle right there.
I'm gonna look to add
Continuation.
soon.
Tesla has been doing its own thing. I know that, and Q is having a red candle right now.
Gonna look to add at 60, guys. And then target for the half sell is 272. I added. Whoa, wall there. This is gonna shoot through 272, by the way. If this breaks that high.
17% here.
So I added, even though I wanted to add way before, I messed up my average, but if you don't want to mess up your average, just keep the same position you have. Where are we in the market? Okay. NQ pulling back.
Doing shit. Shit, what the fuck?
Come on.
Keep holding 271 here.
Yeah, that would be great.
271.50 is the area it's been being bought up from right now.
5 cents. We need to just take out that high and we'll see 272 very quickly. It won't be like a grind or anything. I saw a wall there as well.
This is breaking out too, so.
What is?
I said this is breaking out too, so.
Yeah, NQ is pulling back.
Alright, 271. Buyers need to step in right here.
How much were you up at peak, George, percentage-wise?
17.
Okay.
I hit my take profit at 271. I'm just gonna look to scalp this again if this comes back up.
All right. Nothing wrong with that.
No, I made 2,000 off of that, so.
Whoa, even with the hitting your trailing stop.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. How much were you up?
That's-
Like 5?
4.
Damn.
Yeah.
Look at that candle, bro.
All right, market's pushing.
Yeah.
That's one of those that I just sized up on.
These are trickier trades because of that high. I hate playing just new highs and new lows, but we found the entry fairly early, so that's the only reason I decided to take that trade.
Still up 10%, over 10% here. So I take profit at the new local low.
Pulled back. This is its own trade. That's the only reason I'm in. NQ is pulling back as well. Tesla's holding up pretty well. I think I'm going to use 270 as my stop. 270.10, somewhere around that area. Whoa. All right.
Damn, they bought it up nasty there.
Yeah, but there's
Yeah.
that trend. Get above that trend again so I can feel comfortable. What's that trend at? 271.30. How are these contracts? Okay.
I had a 330 eye on that last one.
Was that an ad at 362 or a sell, Frankie?
That was an ad.
Okay. Oh wow.
So I added at the 50-cent mark. I didn't do it at 30 cents like you did.
Yeah,
I
was
added at
perfect.
50 cents, and then we came back to 271, and then I added more.
Oh, there it goes, George. Yo, once we take this high out, guys, it's autopilot through 272. If it's not autopilot to 272, I'm getting out. To keep that in mind. There we go. 5 cents away. Here we go. 272 needs to come quick. Oh wow. There it goes. Told you. Getting ready for a half sell at 272. Needs to come quick here, or I'm not interested anymore. Let me know if it breaks.
Like 6 cents off on the ask, or was at least 3 cents off. One.
There
Boom.
you go.
Broke.
Oh
Sold
my
half.
God, bro.
Sold half.
Oh my god.
Told you. Yo, this is a way bigger trade, but for me, since the market's so ass, I'd rather finish up early here. So I'm going to sell on the next new high, the rest.
ES and NQ finally breaking out to the upside.
Here we go.
Close above 272.
Boom. I'm out.
Boom, bop, bop.
Bomba clot.
And that's how I fucking do it. Yo, guys.
Patience, guys.
Guys.
Patience.
Guys. We waited an hour for that trade. Almost an hour. I need some W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. The streak goes on. The streak goes on, baby. Now, this is a bigger trade. I was talking about it.
Those
His-
contracts haven't made a high there.
I was gonna say they've been getting stuck at 420. They
W's in the
just
chat.
made a new
Spam the
high.
W's in the chat. I know Discord's behind, but catch up. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let me see all of them. Come on. Yep.
Oh, there they go, George.
Ah.
Just touched 430 there. And they actually lost
Yep.
more value. They lost more value than they gained on that entire move right there.
Wow.
Yeah. That sell from Nor was perfect for the
Fucking
contract.
precise. Yeah.
Yo, you guys forget I do this for a living or no?
Yeah. No
Yo,
Diddy.
Just to put this in perspective, how much did I make Friday? I think 10K. Who was at boot camp? How much did I make Friday? It was on the screen. I was live trading. Like 11? Put that in perspective. That today's a Monday, and look how much I made. Yes, sirski. Almost $14,000 for the day off of one trade. Let me get a round of applause. How'd you do over there? You had to kill it. Please tell me you helped me.
I know I held with you, but I didn't sell at the top with you. When shit started pulling back down, I'm like, nah, I'm out of there.
How much you make?
I made 150.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
And you was in with what, 1 or 2?
2.
Oh yeah, that's good. You made 75 per contract.
And I ain't gonna lie, I was in there from the whole development of that thing. You know what I'm saying?
United made 75 per contract.
I'm getting better, boy.
That's fire. I see United. Okay.
I'm getting
You're sold?
better. I'm getting better.
Okay, big dog.
It is my early entry was pretty hard.
Yeah.
Were you in with me?
Nah.
Oh, you waited and still got soft?
Yeah.
You a little soft, bro.
Nah, I took profits because it was pulling.
Look at the pullback. Sell at freaking peak.
I think Benji's gonna come back later and be like, "Yo, how much would you be up when this thing's like at 280?"
WTrade Nor WTrade W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Yo guys, I used to draw when I was younger, like I would say till like 8th grade, and then I stopped. So I bought a drawing set to mess around. I'm gonna show you real quick since we're done for the day. Where'd I put that?
Picasso.
Yo, it's terrible, but just keep in mind I haven't drawn since like 8th grade. Can you see? Oh, I gotta turn the. Hold up.
Is this the Diddy conference?
Shut up, bro. Can you guys see the camera or no? I'm messing around. I brought like a pencil. It's not bad. For not drawing in like 12 years. 15 years, more than that. I don't freaking know. I'm not done, obviously. This took like maybe 20 minutes. It's not bad. But at least you know what that is. Some of you will draw something and will guess the opposite. But if you're ever bored and want to get some drawing paper, this is the brand.
You just did that recently?
Literally last night for like 20 minutes. I was bored.
Oh damn.
I'm messing around. I'll be having too much free time now at night. Also, it gets you like your brain flowing, so like you still have the vision and stuff. Yo, looks like we sold at peak. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still happy, even if this comes back and makes new highs.
Benji, did you catch that?
Yo,
All right.
Ling Ling, where you at?
What's up?
How'd you do?
I caught 170 on that. My contracts got stopped for break even after I scaled out half.
I'll show my buys and sells. Well, yo, my last sell was 415. Do you know the peak or no?
The peak was 425.
All right, well, these are my buys and my sells. The first 3 are buys, the second 2 are sells. The last 2 are sells, sorry.
430 actually, but the stock jumped 30 to 40 cents on the new high and didn't make a new high, like on the contracts at all.
All
So
right.
I would consider your sell perfect.
Yo, if it wasn't for that dumbass Thursday last week because of the Wi-Fi, bro, oh my God. That day would have been a 50K day when I signaled. The whole chat killed it because I said I'm in. And and then the whole Wi-Fi just cut off and I was so mad. But for me, at least, everybody killed it that day.
Yeah, Matt, those are good sells. Anything above, I would say like 410, 415 is peak sell to me on that, especially when the contracts struggle to make a new high after the stock jumps another 40 to 50 cents.
No, I thought you quit. Yeah, I did. I actually picked this up last night again. You guys stressed me out. But yo, listen, the most I was down on that trade wasn't even with you guys. I was in earlier because I just found the opportunity by myself, but it wasn't even something I could signal. So I'll talk about my early entry even though I didn't signal it, and I'll tell you why I chose that spot. So the entry I took on Tesla was 269.40 or 269.30. Which is way earlier than I signaled, only because I just found opportunity there. Only the momentum picked up, the volume picked up, and it led into the signal, which was 270.20. But the most I was down on that trade, just sitting in that consolidation for a little bit without you guys, was $2,600. But my full P&L for that trade is $13,539. I sent a screenshot if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So early entry on my point was good. But that's why I took it early without you guys. Usually I don't do stuff like that, or I don't unless it's a really good setup. Senzo, how we do? Yes, sir, ski.
Antonio, I was thinking the same thing, but I was like, bro, this is not the day to do it. I'm gonna just chill.
That's exactly why I bought. So when it was holding 269 and kept wicking there, I used the bottom. So what I did for my stop loss, I used the bottom of the wicks as my stop, which was 269.70, and I sent an alert at 269.80. So I was gonna just take an early loss at 268.80 and 268.70. So that's where I put my stops. Ahmed, how much you make today?
Someone said TSM's going.
Don't tell me you made more than me, because I'll have to get back on the charts. I'm not letting that slide. All right.
That's a pretty clean retest on TSM.
All right. Oh, we're good.
I'm good off of that, though.
Look at
They already
Tesla.
robbed money from me today.
Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. Yo, market pulled back that much. Tesla hasn't even dropped, really. First green candle. Yeah, so this is a bigger trade on the bigger time frame. It's just the amount of waiting you have to do and the amount you have to deal with QQQ. I hate where QQQ is at. I'll show you guys where QQQ is at. Look, so like it just isn't worth me holding. I like starting my week off with cushion.
The contracts haven't made a new high either, nor.
Yeah. Yo, so for my first buy, it was 314. Holy shit. Let me see what percentage that is. 314 divided by, what is it? 415. Damn, I made $100 per contract. That's dope.
Yeah.
From the first buy. And then my second buy was 330.
That's the one you did with without the chat?
Yeah,
right?
315.
Okay.
I believe most of you would get around, what, 330? Or no?
I got, well, yeah, probably, because I got it. I remember because I waited. I didn't get in on your early entry signal. I got in like a little bit later. So yeah, it would be roughly in that 330 range.
All right, perfect. So let me show you where I signaled and how close our contracts are. So I got 334 with the 6.2. So that's 335 essentially. So that's my fill right there. That 50 right there at 334.62 is where I signaled, and then the add is also where I added at 384. You know what's funny? I just remembered the stream saw me be in there early for like 10 minutes. That's fun.
At least no one in the chat is watching the stream because they would have questioned you on it.
I mean, I don't care. Like if I don't feel comfortable signal early, then I'm not signaling. You said it's your own consent.
I will mention this too. I don't know if you brought it up. To anybody in the chat, when Nord does take early entries without us like that, he's going in light. He's not going in with a significant amount to where he just described where he needs to signal the chat. And then when he does take the actual early entry or the signal, he'll go in heavier on those in this original early entry.
Yeah, shout out to Brev. Shout out to Brev. Brevon.
Yeah, that had his fire.
Yo, Ant, keep talking like that. I'm not going to signal any Tesla trades to you. Buddy. I think that's me calling it a day. Calling it a day. Yeah. If anything else happens today, I won't be part of it. I'm sure George is out of here too.
Yeah, I think George left immediately.
Hey, is CEO Repair create a channel for him, trips and hotels? Is he legit? Yes, he is. He handled it. The problem was there were so many flights booked for the boot camp, and I believe it was too much in volume, that like 30% of the flights got canceled or something like that. And I don't even want to take that risk. Most flights were good though. There was just like 2 incidents where I was just like, yo, like, I'm scared. But there's nothing where like he scammed anybody or anything like that. Everybody whoever wasn't able to get there, or had issues got a refund. So nothing's wrong with that. It's just the problem with having like the hassle of someone, having an issue with their flight. I don't even want to deal with that right now. But regardless, if I vouch for something, if that's not taken care of from that side, it's taken care of from my side, either or. So it don't matter. Remember, my accountant is in the chat. That's actually my personal accountant. So if you ever have any questions with him, you can take advantage of that. Credit repair, yeah. Hold on, let me actually do that right now. I'm calling. Stay on the mic.
My brother.
Hey, good morning.
Morning. How was the boot camp?
It was amazing, phenomenal. It's clean sweep.
I love it for you, brother.
We're continuing off the momentum here. Let me show you my profits real quick for the day. Low $14,000 this morning. Something to get some brunch with. But yo, I'm on the mic right now. Huh?
It's 10:41.
Yeah. It's good enough to get some brunch. But yo, I'm on the mic right now and they're asking for they need some credit repair.
Sure. What do you want me to do? You want me to help them out?
Yeah, so I mean, I told them I'll make a channel for you, and you can answer questions, and and if anybody wants to like hire you privately.
Yeah. Let me step out real quick because I'm in a coffee shop.
Oh.
I don't want to be rude as hell.
Pardon me.
Seconds. Yeah. No, you're good. I just don't want to be rude. So basically, I mean, we could run it however you want. I texted you a couple days ago about it, but however you want to run it, I'll follow you because it's obviously your chat. It's your thing.
Yeah.
So like, however you want to run it, whatever price or affiliate, however you want to.
No, I don't even want to collect anything. I just want them to get the best deal possible.
Okay, so I'll give them friends and family.
Yeah,
It'll always be at like $900 for everything, no matter what it is.
Yeah, and then questions just for free if you can, like whenever you can in the chat.
100%.
Cool.
I'll throw all the free game in there too. Like I'll give my ebook in there. I already gave the credit card because last time you were on because I pop on to a lot of your morning chats that you do.
Oh yeah.
And you guys were talking about the Amexes and all the credit
Oh
cards and
yeah.
stuff like that. So I dropped in, if you look inside the chat that you gave me, I dropped in a list of cards that'll give you pre-approvals.
Sick.
Without a hard inquiry.
Perfect. All right, cool. I'm gonna set that up for today then, cause they're hyped. They're listening to the conversation right now. So.
Oh, all right, bet. So yeah, let's make it happen. I'll be in every day if you want.
All right, cool. All right, G, I'm gonna have Frankie set it up.
All right, bet. I'm ready.
All right, fam. Peace.
Later, gang.
Peace. All right, so all questions about credit will be answered for free, and then obviously for him to do your credit, just like any other freaking service in this world, it's gonna charge. But he's giving you friends and family discount. All right, you just gotta have credit repair. The flight thing, I'll see if I'll bring that back. I just don't want to deal with people missing flights. That's extremely annoying. I would never want to go through it, even though everybody got a refund. And then my accountant's also in the chat. So the repair thing and the credit repair thing and then the accountant are both going to be in the chat today. The accountant's already there. Bless you. Try not to sneeze again. Psych. Can't see live. Yeah, we talked about that. They came to boot camp. My accountant is actually probably Diddy's accountant. And Trump's accountant. You know my lawyer's Diddy's. My lawyer's Diddy's lawyer. And he was what's his name's lawyer?
R. Kelly.
R. Kelly's lawyer.
Oh my God, no, that's crazy.
So you know I'm in good hands.
You're right.
Not just.
Hey, what do you mean by that?
All right. Well, I'm not getting off Discord, but stream. I hope you guys enjoy.